Alright, we're here with Ben Malol, man. He's doing his, he's just chilling out here.
Your random YouTube video watching.
Yeah.
Very productive.
So a question for you,
Yeah.
what's your number one key to success?
It's a good question.
Yeah.
It's really hard. It's really hard to come up with one key, but I'll tell you what I think is the one key if I had to choose one is probably networking.
Yeah.
I can probably attribute all of my success to networking and connecting with people. When I actually started to succeed was not getting a mentor or getting a course or all of that. It was when I actually started to network and meet people. I'm not saying that getting a mentor or a course is bad. That attributed to it. But I'm saying like the number one thing, the number one factor that attributed to over 90% of my success is networking. Because when you think about it, you create these opportunities and you talk to these people on potential partnerships, which actually put you forward. So when I actually started to really grow, like 2 years ago, it was when I started going out of my comfort zone and going into all of these conferences and meeting all of those people. So yeah, networking is